Hello guys, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Berger Paints is hiring through us. So it's a direct notification from Berger Paints, and in order to smoothen the process, we are directly sharing you a Google form where you are supposed to fill all the details, and for sure if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, our team will get back to you. All this content what you are seeing over here is being shared by Berger Paints team. Let me go through these details first. We wish to invite the current final year batch of management students with specialization only in sales and marketing, international business, general management stream for positions in our non-management frontline sales cadre as senior sales officer trainee, which is SSOT, in decorative paints division. So as part of our requirement for the position, the following eligibility criteria are set for the students in order to help them participate in our virtual campus recruitment program. So for decorative paints retail, should possess minimum academic qualification as graduate in science or commerce or management or engineering before pursuing their MBA program. So however, students with graduation in engineering having information technology, telecommunication specializations shall not apply as they will not be considered for this division. So it was very clear. Should have scored at least 55% marks all throughout the academic career. Should preferably have command over at least one regional Indian language apart from fluency in English and Hindi. Should have good communication skills, interpersonal and analytical skills. Should possess a two-wheeler driving license, mandatory requirement, else will be rejected. Though Berger Paints believes is equal employment opportunity, but looking into the nature of the job, we wish to restrict this recruitment program of sales officer trainees to male candidates only. The students who are appointed for the position of sales officer trainees shall be onboarding in batches starting from 2nd May 2022 in our company and shall have to undergo training for a period of 1 year. The initial compensation being offered is CTC of approximate 5.75 LPA. Post training, the trainees will be confirmed as senior sales officer, clearly defined responsibilities. The next career level progression will be of sales supervisor and finally into management grade as sales executive, which may take an approximate time frame of 3 to 4 years based on individual performance. So this is the information what Berger Paints team have shared with us. So now let's quickly talk about the form. Submit your name, email ID, phone number, gender, obviously male. If female, it will be rejected. Then WhatsApp number. Next, highest qualification pursuing course. So you can choose among them, or you can go with other. MBA or PGDM, full name of your college, and college state. This college state it should be. And then highest qualification pass out year, obviously it should be MBA. If you are 2022 pass out, you can select this. And percentage. Placement officer name, this is very much mandatory. Placement officer email ID, just have a check with your college people, obviously they will be sharing that. Placement officer contact number. And next, this graduation course is the graduation course which you have done before your MBA. Just select that. Next, graduation pass out year. This is, for example, if you have done your engineering or some other degree, that pass out year. Next, graduation percentage, 10th percentage, 12th percentage, native city and native state. So this is your home city and home state. Father's name, father's occupation, preferred work location. You can select any. Language known except English, you can choose any. And if you also know some other language, you can also opt for that. And you also have third option as well in language. So valid driving license for two-wheeler, this is also mandatory. And in order to verify this, they are also collecting the driving license number. And upload your updated resume. So that's it guys. If you are meeting this eligibility criteria, just quickly apply from the link given in the description below, and all the best for your interview process. So guys, we are coming up with much more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.